Right, yo boys, just before we get into this video, a lot of you already know that I did a 0 to 1,000 flip challenge. And for the past 2 weeks, I've been trading London session, France 40. And I've literally not lost a trade for the past 2 weeks now, right? Now, I've done all this on France 40. And again, here's this morning's trade. I took a 1 to 1 on the first break, and then I took another 1 to 2.5 on the second. Like, boys, what I'm saying to you is I've done this all on a live account, but I've not documented it. I stopped the challenge because what happened is I originally started with Liquid Brokers, which is the broker that MambaFX uses personally. Now, what I didn't realize is because of the leverage being 1 to 300, starting with $100 is just not really enough. There's not enough breathing room. Now, when Mamba does these challenges, he starts with Forex pairs, so he doesn't trade indices like US 30 and NASDAQ and shit like that. He'll start trading like the US dollar against like fucking Japanese yen and stuff like that, where they don't require as much margin to take a trade. Now, I didn't realize this, and so when I realized it really didn't give me any breathing room. And so what I did is I decided I was going to switch the broker from Liquid to another one, and I found one with 1 to 2,000 leverage, meaning it would give me enough breathing room and be sufficient enough for me to actually continue and do the challenge. But what happened in the process of taking the profits that I'd made from the past $100 flip, when I took them to the other broker, I sent them to a crypto wallet, sent them to the wrong crypto wallet, lost all the money. I was like, oh, fuck it. So I just started trading by myself, not posting the videos or anything like that, because I was like, what the fuck do I do? But I've seen a lot of you comment like, where's the flip challenge? Where's the flip challenge? Where's the flip challenge? So what I'm deciding and what I'm thinking to do is now find a broker where I can start with literally $10, $20, $30. As you can see here, I've got $20, turned it into 30 today. So what I'm thinking is, would you guys want to see me do a $20, $30 flip challenge and see how far I can take it over the next month, become a specific amount of profit I have to reach? You guys let me know, right? You guys let me know in the comments below. Would you want them videos daily? Would you want them in the mornings? Would you just want them, I don't know, once a week? Let me know in the comments below. But besides that, day 7 of passing a fucking futures prop firm. Let's get into it, boss. Feels good. Yeah, babe. Oh shit, market up. Market has just opened. See how we go. See what happens. We're going to be careful. We're going to be careful. Finger on the trigger. Oh, crust. We've got equal lows down here. We've got a strong support. This is strong. This area here, even on the 15. Yeah, that's some sturdy support. That pushing down. See, I could be aggressive on this entry here. Don't know how aggressive I'm feeling though, you know what I mean? I'm not feeling it. If we break that, maybe. Fuck, I've missed my entry. Me just watching that back then, that was just a complete psychology throw off. Like, I'm watching this now, and like now I'm watching it, I would have entered, and I'll show you why. So let's watch this back, and I'll tell you where I would enter next time, why, and how I could avoid missing that shit again. Let's check this. So I'm going to bring this back now. I'm going to watch it. We're going to watch it now, and I'll tell you where I would have entered. So look, push. Yeah, I could be aggressive on this entry here. Push. Push. Retrace. Push. Now, in. Didn't get in. I missed it. I fucking missed it. And that would have been a winning trade. That would have been banging as well. But yeah, do you get that? Push. Retrace. Push. In. I'm just too hesitant. This really threw me off, as well as like knowing there was about news. So psychology was just off today, but it is what it is. No, I've not. Right, it's rejecting. Do I just go for a buy on this wick up now? See, that would be my take profit there as well. Fuck. Oh man, that'd have been a 2.5R. Fuck.
Order filled.
I'm gonna buy. Go on, push past. I've been a bit too early here. This could just break and retest and fucking flood down. That's not a good sign. Yeah, do I just get out, break even? Probably. Break and retest, fuck. Alright.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm out, boys. I fucked it today. So yeah, today we're red, unfortunately. And I didn't actually stick to my rules today. I stuck to my risk reward, yes, but I did not follow the plan, unfortunately. So we lost 1 hour there. risk perfect though. The initial trade that I did take and planned up, as I was saying at the beginning, was going to be the short, and I had my entry all fucking out and everything. Like, that would have been a 2.5 trade, which would have been lovely. The only thing that put me off today was knowing that when we have equal lows on the 15 as well, this was just a little bit choppy with these levels. Was this your level? Was this your level? So it was just very choppy today with regards to levels, finding proper like support and resistance. Also, there's news that has just happened at 2:15, and also the news at 2:45, which is about to drop in 3 minutes. It just threw off my psychology today, and it is what it is. It should have been a win day, but it's not, so it is what it fucking is. The reason why I tried to do what I did today with regards to reversals, I'll tell you why. Because every single day this week, it's done the exact same thing. Each day this week, it's come down, it's wicked out the bottom level and come up, boom, and gone upwards. As well, yesterday, even though I won yesterday, it's come down, wicked out, it's come down, wicked to bottom level, and shot back up. Today, I thought the same thing was going to play out. And then today, I thought the fucking same thing was going to play out. It didn't. And the market's just bummed me. So, it is what it is. You know what I mean? Take the L. Never mind. We keep on going.